Hi, my name is Sarah Logman, and I'll be explaining my work for question number 2 on quiz number 3. So first I start off with defining my function, and for this problem it was the definition of line of multicolored squares, and in order to solve this problem we use turtles. So I have t, and then size of colors 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a space, and then I created a for loop range of multicolored squares, turtles, size, and then colors 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is a helper that I got from the above problem. And then after that, I used test up and test forward space and then test down. And then to make sure my code was correct, I plugged in both sample runs given, and they both look like the picture that was given on the quiz. So I knew that I was correct.